them, this blows back, the shell pops out the side, and the little bit of lead has done what it's designed to do. It's gone on its very little way to kill somebody. Okay, and it causes a minor explosion, blows that back, pops that one out and pops another one, and that's why that's a semi-automatic weapon. Strike one, I'm gone. Hang on. Strike two, I'm dead. Trapping on. Do that. Right, trap a guard. Dead.
Called with various modifications the L1A1. It fired a 7.62 by 51 cartridge. That meant that the cartridge diameter was 7.62 and the case length was 51. So 7.62 by 51 is a NATO standard round.
No, we call them flintlocks nowadays, and they were referred to as flintlocks because up until during the English Civil War,